Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here as we explore how to build your financial future. Our topic today is building wealth from zero, and we'll be discussing actionable steps that can turn small efforts into significant gains. Over the next few slides, I'll guide you through strategies and mindset shifts that can help you achieve financial growth, even if you're starting from scratch. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets to financial success together. Let's talk about a really important idea. Even if you're earning $2,000 a month, you can still build wealth. The key is consistency, saving regularly, investing wisely, and creating additional income streams whenever possible. It's not just about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. Another crucial point is to keep learning. Continuously educate yourself about finance, investing, and business principles. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better decisions you can make. It's also essential to focus on solutions. When challenges come up, instead of dwelling on excuses, look for opportunities and ways to overcome obstacles. That mindset will serve you well on your wealth-building journey. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is vital. Stay committed for the long haul and trust that steady progress adds up over time. Finally, wealth starts with your mental framework. Many think that a big inheritance or a high-paying job is the only way to get rich. But true financial success comes from informed choices, disciplined habits, and patience. Developing a wealth-building mindset is the foundation for lasting success. Now, let's look at the impact of cutting your dining out budget. If you reduce it from $300 to $100 a month, that's a $200 savings every month. That extra money can be redirected towards savings or investments, helping you build wealth faster. Next, it's important to identify where you can make these spending cuts. Think about areas where you might be spending unnecessarily or where you can cut back without sacrificing too much. Pinpointing these areas is a crucial step toward better financial control. Then, you want to track your monthly expenses meticulously. Using a spreadsheet or a budgeting app can help you record every dollar that goes out. This gives you a clear picture of your spending habits and highlights where your money is really going. Don't forget to list all your income sources. Document every stream of income entering your household, whether it's your salary, side gigs, or passive income. Knowing exactly how much money is coming in is just as important as knowing where it goes. The key takeaway here is that before you can grow your wealth effectively, you need to understand your current cash flow. A common mistake is spending without a clear picture of your finances, which makes it harder to make informed decisions. Gaining clarity on your financial habits is the foundation for gaining control and setting the stage for growth. So, mastering your cash flow, tracking both income and expenses, is essential, and that's what we're focusing on in this chapter. Let's take a moment to consider the power of compound interest. If you save just $100 each month consistently for 10 years, that amount can grow to over $15,000. It's a remarkable reminder of how small, regular contributions can add up over time. Another key point is to aim for saving at least 20% of your net income, more if you can. Setting this goal helps you build a solid financial foundation. To make saving easier and more reliable, I recommend setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. This way, you ensure consistency without having to think about it every month. Building an emergency fund is also crucial, ideally, enough to cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. This safety net provides peace of mind and financial security in unexpected situations. Remember, even modest amounts saved and invested wisely have incredible growth potential over time. The most important element here is unwavering consistency and discipline. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your routine. When you approach it this way, you're setting yourself up for future growth and financial stability. Let's talk about how increasing your earning capacity is a crucial part of building wealth. For example, developing high-demand skills like digital marketing or coding can realistically add between $500 and $1,000 to your monthly income. That's a significant boost that can really speed up your wealth-building journey. You can also acquire certifications or training to boost your market value, making you more attractive to employers or clients. Investing in new skills opens up more opportunities, whether that's exploring freelancing, starting an online venture, or offering specialized services. Starting a side hustle is another great way to diversify your income streams. And don't forget about negotiating. Whether it's asking for a raise or a promotion at your current job, it can make a big difference. Remember, building wealth isn't just about saving money, it's also about increasing what you earn. The more you earn, the more fuel you have to save and invest, which ultimately accelerates your financial growth. So, focus on amplifying your earnings. This is an essential step in your wealth-building journey. Let's consider this. Eliminating a $2,000 credit card balance with a 20% interest rate can save you about $400 in interest payments each year. That's money directly staying in your pocket, helping to boost your overall wealth. Now, not all debt is created equal. For example, loans for items that quickly lose value, like certain consumer goods, are often a bad idea. Payday loans with exorbitant fees. They're usually a trap that can trap you in a cycle of debt. High-interest credit card debt for luxury items or other non-essential spending can also quickly become a financial drain. On the other hand, some debt can actually work in your favor. Student loans that help you advance your career, business loans for growth and investment, and mortgages for appreciating property. These are examples of good debt. They're investments that have the potential to generate assets or increase your net worth over time. The key takeaway here is that debt is a double-edged sword. It can be a powerful tool to accelerate your financial goals or a destructive trap that hampers your progress. The most important thing is to avoid high-interest, non-productive debt, like revolving credit card balances or predatory payday loans, that actively erodes your financial stability. So always navigate debt wisely. Understand the difference between good debt that builds your wealth and bad debt that drags you down. This is a critical part of managing your overall financial health and moving toward financial independence. Let's take a closer look at the power of early investing. Suppose you invest just $100 a month, and you achieve an average annual return of about 7% over 20 years. That small, consistent contribution can grow into roughly $50,000. It really shows how starting small and staying consistent can turn into significant wealth over time. This is why I emphasize starting early, because the earlier you begin, the more you benefit from the magic of compound interest. It's like your money working tirelessly for you, earning returns not just on your initial investment, but also on all the interest that accrues. And it's not just about traditional stocks or savings. There are many ways to diversify your investments, like using micro-investing apps that make it easy to get started. You can also invest in property indirectly through real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow you to own a piece of real estate without the hassle of direct ownership. Retirement accounts, such as 401(k), and IRAs, are also powerful tools. They come with tax advantages that can boost your growth. For beginners, index funds and ETFs provide diversified, low-cost options that are simple to manage. The key takeaway here is that the earlier you start investing, the more powerful the effect of compound interest becomes. Investing helps your money grow over time, generating returns on both your initial capital and the accumulated interest. This is truly where wealth creation takes off. So, unlock your growth potential. Start investing early and watch your wealth multiply. So let's talk about the importance of diversifying your income streams. Relying solely on one job for your income can be quite risky. Life is unpredictable, and if that one source dries up or faces challenges, your financial stability could be compromised. That's why resilient and wealthy individuals often build multiple streams of income. For example, earning extra money from dividend stocks, side businesses, rental income, or digital products. These additional income sources not only provide a safety net, but also accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Think of it this way. Creating multiple streams of income isn't just about making more money. It's about creating a more resilient financial foundation. When you diversify, you're reducing your dependence on a single paycheck and opening the door to more growth opportunities. So the key takeaway here is, always look beyond traditional employment. Cultivate various income streams, and you'll be setting yourself up for greater financial stability and faster progress toward your goals. Now, let's talk about the strategic advantage of understanding how to diversify your investments effectively. It's not just about spreading your money around. It's about reducing risk while also setting yourself up for faster wealth growth over time. Diversification helps protect you from market swings and uncertainties, giving your portfolio stability and resilience. To stay on top of your game, engaging in online learning opportunities is essential. Attending courses and webinars allows you to deepen your understanding and sharpen your skills. Think of these as ongoing investments in your financial education. Equally important is following credible financial experts and thought leaders across different platforms. Their insights can provide valuable perspectives and keep you informed about current trends and best practices. And don't forget to immerse yourself in books on personal finance, investing, and economic trends. Reading widely broadens your knowledge base and helps you see the bigger picture in the financial landscape. Remember, the financial world is always evolving. New opportunities and challenges emerge constantly. That's why financial education isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous journey. Staying informed and adaptable is key to preserving and growing your wealth in the long run. So, keep learning, stay curious, and remain flexible as you navigate your path to financial success. Embrace these principles, and you will see your financial foundation grow stronger, step by step. This process transforms your aspirations into real, tangible wealth. Remember, the power to create your rich future is truly in your hands. Harness the power of investing and compound interest. These are key tools that can significantly grow your wealth over time. Let your money work for you, earning and compounding even while you sleep. Adapt and grow with the financial landscape. The world changes, and so should your strategies. Staying flexible and learning continuously keeps you ahead. Every small step forward builds momentum. Consistent progress, no matter how minor, adds up over time to big results. Start small and stay consistent. Building wealth from zero isn't just a dream, it's entirely achievable. It requires the right mindset, smart decisions, and disciplined action. Your journey proves how powerful deliberate financial choices can be. This is your path to financial freedom. By applying these principles, you're not just saving or investing, you're creating a future where financial independence becomes a reality.